Before buying a torque wrench, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Finding the right torque wrench isn't just about brand names, it's all about precision and reliability. Product number 1, LEXIVON 12-inch drive click torque wrench. Let's kick things off with the LEXIVON 12-inch drive click torque wrench. Priced at $44.97, this tool immediately caught my attention with its solid build and impressive 4.6-star rating from over 35,000 reviews. If you want precision and high-quality results, this is worth a serious look. The high-contrast scale is easy to read, even in low-light conditions, which is a game-changer during late-night repairs. Plus, the durable chrome vanadium alloy steel construction means you'll be using this for years without worrying about wear and tear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Consistent torque is essential when working on vehicle components. A loose bolt can lead to serious issues. Now, some people mention that it can feel a bit bulky in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're working on larger projects, that extra heft gives you more control and stability. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to ensure your car is safe and sound. Skip this one if you need something super compact for tight engine spaces. But for its price, you're getting a fantastic tool that promises reliability and precision. Product number 2, LEXIVON 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who work with smaller components. The LEXIVON 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench comes in at $39.97 and has the same stellar rating of 4.6 stars. If you're looking for precision in a more compact form, this is definitely worth considering. Just like its bigger sibling, this wrench is pre-calibrated to plus 4% accuracy, meaning you can trust it to deliver consistent results every time. The dual range scale is highlighted for easy reading, and it's designed with a durable ratchet gear head made from heat-treated steel. Talk about reliability. Here's why this matters. Having the right torque can save you from potential mechanical failures down the road due to loose or over-tightened bolts. Now, some users have pointed out that the click can be a bit soft, especially at lower torque settings. But I'll be real with you, it's still audible enough for most applications, and the overall performance makes it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on smaller vehicles or components. Skip this one if you're only dealing with heavy-duty tasks. For its price, it's a solid investment for precision torque. Product number 3, CCI Impact Wrench. Now, if the LEXIVON's compact size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The CCI Impact Wrench is a bit pricier at $74.73, but offers a whole new level of power, boasting 665 ft-pounds of loosening torque. If you want serious muscle for tough jobs, this is your tool. This means less time struggling and more time getting things done, which is essential for anyone who wants to tackle bigger jobs efficiently. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for extended use, so you're not left hanging mid-project. Here's why that matters. If you're working on truck tires or machinery, this kind of power saves you a ton of physical effort and time. Now, I did notice some reviews mentioning it feels a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're doing heavy-duty tasks, that weight can actually help stabilize your grip. This is perfect for you if you're regularly dealing with heavy machinery or vehicle maintenance. Skip this one if you only need it for light-duty tasks. It's a solid investment for high-intensity work. Product number 4, Harich Torque Wrench. Next up is the Harich Torque Wrench, priced at an affordable $28.97. This one caught my eye because of its dual-direction functionality and stunning design. If you want a good-looking tool that's also reliable, this is worth checking out. With a calibration error of just plus or minus 3%, it ensures accuracy when you need it most. The audible click when you reach the set torque is a reassuring feature, helping to prevent damage to your vehicle components. This is crucial for maintaining your car's integrity. Some users did mention that the click can be faint at lower settings. But honestly, if you're working within the recommended torque range, you should have no problem. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with car maintenance or looking for an affordable, reliable wrench. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty applications. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Product number 5, YIYIE Torque Wrench Set. Finally, let's look at the YIYIE Torque Wrench Set, retailing at $62.97. This is an 8-piece set that covers all your bases from 1/4 to 1/2-inch drive sizes. If you want versatility, this is a great option. You get 3 different torque wrenches along with adapters that make it suitable for various applications, whether you're working on a bike or a car. Each wrench has a precision of plus or minus 3%, ensuring consistent performance across the board. The click sound is noticeably louder, which is helpful in busy environments. However, some users found the need to switch between wrenches a bit tedious. Here's the thing though, having the right tool for the job is worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution for all your automotive needs. Skip this if you prefer a single wrench for general use. Overall, it's an excellent value for the versatility you get. So we've covered a range of options from the precise LEXIVON models to the powerful CCI impact wrench and even the versatile YIYIE set. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you need most. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, you've got choices that will suit your needs. Happy wrenching!